Welcome to Dayo Serie J-Hopes Basketball. Sakay car. Lugtoy mga atabs. Welcome to Chinatown. Sawadika. Ano sayo? Ay. Pakals kay gutom. Baktas gamay, init kaayo. Welcome to Barangay 22C, Piapi Boulevard, Davao City. Barangay Gym, nice kaayo. Ops, tudlo kay naay sightings. Abri sa portahan. Tu ara, ay di ara. Oh, nagtapok. Salamat Barangay Council o Barangay 22C. Piapi Boulevard. Oh, di ara. Oh, di ara pagkaon. Oh. Salamat sa inyong mga abi-abihon na pag-atiman ka namin. Ilis na. Warm up.
Mabulahamang pagpili
Prayer.
ayon sa kalambukan sa barangay ug sa dakbayan sa Davao. We bring you the exhibition game between Tagum, Davao del Norte versus Davao City under 13 division. This is the first game for this afternoon. This game is brought to you by the Barangay Council of Barangay Torito-C, spearheaded by Punong Barangay Honorable Floyd Pupoy Pansoy.
Shake hands. Game 1 basketball highlights between J-Hopes versus Elite Basketball of Davao City.
Jersey number 5, jersey number 34, corner, tangka 14. Nasa sa gitna, jersey number 39. Kick out number 3. No good, rebounded jersey number 11. Running on. Pass the corner. Jersey number 39. Jersey number 12. Nice pass. Jersey number 12 pa rin. No good. Rebounded jersey number 18.
Kaya!
Jersey number 17. Wala, rebound by Jersey number 18. Nice pass. 27 minutes. Back to one.
Daog!
Cinco. Score 45-58. Winner J-Hopes Basketball.
Uy!
Next game, prepare.